Hello everyone. In today's class, let's learn about biological classification, that is from the class 11 biology, and mainly in this video we'll focus on Monera. Before going to study about the 5 kingdoms of classification, let's see what is biological classification first. Living organisms show enormous diversity. There are millions of species is present in our world. So how we can classify those animals or organisms? To study them easily, they are classified into groups. Classification is based on similarities and differences. R.H. Whittaker, so this is very important. R.H. Whittaker in 1969 proposed 5 kingdom classification named Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. This video I will explain a kingdom Monera, and the remaining kingdom I will explain in the coming videos. Monera is the first and the simplest kingdom, includes all prokaryotic organisms. You know about prokaryotic. So okay, let's see. Eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Eukaryotic, they have a cell wall. Prokaryotics also have a cell wall. Inside the eukaryotic cell, they have a nucleus. Inside nucleus, you can see a chromosome. But in the prokaryotic, they have a cell wall, but they don't have any nuclear membrane like in the eukaryotes. So that chromosomes is present freely in the cytoplasm of the prokaryotic cell. So this is the difference between eukaryotic and prokaryotic. So all the prokaryotic comes under kingdom Monera. Second, bacteria are the sole members of the kingdom Monera. They are the most abundant microorganisms. Fourth, bacteria occur almost everywhere. Hundreds of bacteria are present in a handful of soil. Live in extreme habitats such as hot springs, or springs means boiling water, deserts, snow, and deep oceans. Bacteria are grouped under 4 categories based on their shape. The spherical coccus, so this one, the plural is cocci, so they have a round shape, coccus or cocci, and the rod shape bacillus, plural bacilli. It has a rod shape structure, bacilli, and the comma shaped vibrium or vibrio, this one, comma shape like this, comma shape, vibrium or vibrio, and the spiral spirillum, plural spirilla, this one. So they have 4 categories: coccus, bacillus, vibrium, and spirillum. Some of the bacteria are autotrophic, means they prepare their own food. They may be photosynthetic autotrophic, means like in plants, they use sunlight, they are like green, they have a pigments. Or chemosynthetic autotrophic, using inorganic substance. Most bacteria are heterotrophs. If we see in 100%, only 10% are autotrophic and remain are heterotrophs. The kingdom Monera is broadly classified into 2 groups called Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. Let's see first Archaebacteria. They live in some of the most harsh habitats, such as extreme salty areas. Those bacteria which present in salty area are called halophils, and bacteria which present in hot water or hot spring are called thermoacidophils, and those present in marshy areas are called methanogens. These methanogens are present in the gut of several ruminant animals such as cow and buffaloes, and they are responsible for the production of methane or biogas from the dung of these animals. So these methanogens are present in the dung of the cow, which converts into methane gas. Second one is eubacteria. Eubacteria are also called true bacteria. The cyanobacteria, also referred to as blue-green algae, this one, have chlorophyll similar to green plants and are photosynthetic autotrophs. They prepare their own food using sunlight. The cyanobacteria are unicellular, colonial, or filamentous. They have a unicellular, but they present in a colony as a filamentous, like this. And they present in freshwater or marine water or terrestrial algae. Terrestrial means land. The colonies are generally surrounded by gelatinous sheath. This one is a blue color you can see is a gelatinous sheath around a filamentous. Some of these organisms can fix atmospheric nitrogen in specialized cells called heterocysts. This one is a heterocyst which fix the nitrogen. Example, nostoc and anabina. Next one is chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria, which oxidize various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia and use the released energy for their ATP production. And next is heterotrophic bacteria are most abundant in nature. Heterotrophic bacteria nothing but those bacteria which depend on others for the food. The majority are important decomposers. Many of them have a significant impact on human affairs. They are helpful in making curd from milk. For example, there is one compound present in milk is lactose, which converts into lactic acid by a lactobacillus bacteria. Because of the acidic in nature, the milk convert into curd. And next, production of antibiotics and fixing nitrogen in legume roots. You just observe the roots of touch-me-not plant. You can see there is one small ball-like structure in the root. And that ball-like structure is a home of one bacteria which fixes the nitrogen for the plant. Some bacteria are pathogens, causing damage to human beings, crops, farm animals, and pets. That is cholera. Cholera nothing but a bacterial disease caused by Vibrio cholerae that spreads through contaminated food and water and causes severe diarrhea. And next is typhoid. Typhoid is a bacterial disease caused by Salmonella typhi spread through contaminated food and water, leading to prolonged fever. And third is a tetanus. It is a bacterial disease caused by Clostridium tetani that enters through wounds and causes muscle stiffness and spasm. Citrus canker it is also a bacterial plant disease caused by Xanthomonas citri. The name citrus means it causes only a citrus plants like orange and lemon that produces lesions. Lesions is like a patches like this on citrus leaves, stems, and fruits. Are well-known disease caused by different bacteria. Bacteria reproduce mainly by fission. Fusion. It is fission means a opposite of fusion. For example, this is one bacteria. It reproduces by fission like this. Fission means separation. One is divided into two and it completely gives rise to two daughter bacteria like this. It is a fission. So reproduce mainly by fission. The mycoplasma are organisms that completely lack a cell wall. They are the smallest living cell known and can survive without oxygen. It's very, very important. They will ask question, which is the smallest living cell or which bacteria which lacks cell wall or they may ask which organisms survive without oxygen. So many mycoplasma are pathogenic in nature, that is in affect animals and plants. So this is about a Monera kingdom. So the remain kingdoms like Protista, fungi, plant and animalia we'll study in the next video. Thank you for watching.